Good morning, class. This morning we're going to learn some common Niuean words for items you see when you're at the supermarket. Cool, eh? Are you ready? Let's start. Huhu means milk. Huhu, milk. Siisi means cheese. Siisi, cheese. Falawa means bread. Falawa, bread. Tofu ma means eggs. Tofu ma, eggs. Pata means butter. Pata, butter. Menakaipa means meat. Menakaipa, meat. Ika means fish. Ika, fish. Maa means chicken. Maa, chicken. Cereal means cereal. Cereal, cereal. Tofua apala means apples. Tofua apala, apples. Tofua moli means oranges. Tofua moli, oranges. Tofua fusi means bananas. Tofua fusi, bananas. Waikoko ulu means shampoo. Waikoko ulu, shampoo. Vaikananifo means toothpaste. Vaikananifo, toothpaste. Taupaka keke means biscuits. Taupaka keke, biscuits. Tofi sipi means chippies. Tofi sipi, chippies. Sokarete means chocolate. Sokarete, chocolate. Awesome, class. You did great. That's the bell. See you all tomorrow.